you?
There's a fire. There's a fire in my house. I can't see. I'm in my bedroom.
What room
I can't see. It's so smoky.
Okay, I know. Alright, let's see. What room are you in?
My bedroom.
Is your bedroom upstairs?
Yeah, it's upstairs.
Is it at the front or the back of the house? I have got fire engines on the way. What's your name?
It's Shell.
I'm going to stay on the phone to you until the fire engines get there, okay?
Yeah.
Right, so I've got a fire engine and they're just around the corner. They're not going to be long at all. Right, is there anyone else in the house with you?
No, I'm just on my own.
So you're by yourself?
Yeah, my kids have went to the dance.
Right, so that it's just you who's in the house.
Scared.
I know. I've got fire engines on the way. They won't be long, okay?
I'm putting everything at the door.
You've put stuff against the door,
my blankets.
Right, that's good. So have you just woke up?
Yes, the smoke alarm.
The smoke alarm woke you up?
Yeah,